I'll guide you through how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone for free, the easy way, without data loss. If you're looking to switch from an Android to an iPhone without losing your valuable chat history, or you want to combine your existing iPhone WhatsApp data with your transferred Android data, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Part 1. The preparation. Before you begin, make sure both your Android phone and your new iPhone are ready. First, update both the Android operating system and the WhatsApp app to their latest versions. On your Android, perform a fresh backup of your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive to ensure all your recent conversations and media are saved. Check the description below for our dedicated video to walk you through the easy steps. Now, download and open the Move to iOS app from the Google Play Store. Then, keep it waiting. On your iPhone, if you have an existing WhatsApp account with important data, you'll need to back it up to iCloud. We have a dedicated video that walks you through the easy steps in the description below. You will then need to factory reset your iPhone, as this process is required. Part 2. The transfer. Next, proceed to set up the iPhone again. During the initial setup of your new iPhone, you'll reach a screen that says Transfer your apps and data. Select the Move Data from Android option. A code will appear on your iPhone. Go back to your Android and enter this code to connect the devices. After both devices are connected, still on your Android, you will see a list of data you can transfer. Select WhatsApp and any other data you wish to move, such as contacts and Google account information. Tap Continue to initiate the transfer. The transfer time will depend on the amount of data you have. Once the transfer is complete, finish the setup process on your iPhone. Part 3. The restoration. When you open WhatsApp on your new iPhone, you'll be prompted to log in with the same phone number you use on your Android. Answer it to log in. After you log in, WhatsApp will automatically detect the transfer chat history and will allow you to restore it. Tap Start or Restore Chat History when prompted to begin the import. You will need to allow any permissions it asks for. To make sure your transfer chats are safe, perform a new backup of your WhatsApp data on your iPhone. This backup will be saved to iCloud and will include all your recently transferred conversations, including those from your Android. Now that you've learned how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without losing data, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more WhatsApp video tutorials. Thanks for watching.